Well, I'm going to try to get the engine into this frame without hurting myself, which I'm probably not going to do very well, and to see if I can even do it um, using the method of pulling it up on the winch and getting it maneuvered into the frame without scratching anything or anything. We'll see how this goes. So here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a towel and wrap our frame the best that we can so that at least we have a fighting chance of not scratching too much stuff up. This might just be a comedy routine on this whole thing here, but we're going to try it. Let's see what we get. We'll get some gloves on here so that we're not beating everything up, our hands especially. First things first, here we go. Alright, here we go. This may not work. Maybe with the handlebars might have a problem. We may have a problem with the handlebars here. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to get rid of these bars. Okay, let's try this again. Actually now, look at that already. Amazing. This is stupid. So far, it doesn't fit. Okay. Not the worst in the world yet, but not good either. It all came out of there. Just enough. Huh. think we got it. That did it. Now, we should be able to up and down. We're close. Not bad. We got it. Roll back down. So first step is to roll this down, and then I'll get the engine through there. Okay. That wasn't good, but oh well, what do you do? We are really close here. Let's go later. Actually, nice. How are we doing here? Wow. Okay. Let's tap it in. Like we got to come up maybe a little bit. All right. The engine is basically in the frame. We're not quite yet there yet, but it's being held in there. It's got a bolt in it, and we can then take these guys and let's see which way this goes. Well, I'm pretty sure this guy would go this way. Okay. And so what we're going to do here is we are going to put this guy through here. This guy goes here. And we will through. Get this one through. Now, and this guy. All right, we're pretty close here. That's through there. Lock washer. Put this on there for now. Okay. And then we're going to take our 8mm. Take an 8 washer. Put you on there for Alrighty. And that is now okay, let's take a 13 and we're going to tighten you up. And we'll take a 17. Now, okay, our engine is in place. Well, we got it. The engine is now bolted into the frame, generally. Only a couple little scratches here and there. I let the towel not do its thing, but it's bolted in the frame. It looks good. We can now move forward, and I did this without hurting my back, which is pretty good. That was I mean, other than some fiddling around, which was kind of hard. It was hard to get out, but now you're not all hunched over things, and that winch thing just worked primo. Man, well, I'm happy about that. So anyway, we're basically in place. The engine's in place. And yeah, now we'll get all the nuts and bolts. We've cleaned up all the nuts and bolts on this thing. They're nice and shiny and looking good. But we now have an engine in the frame, and we almost have a motorcycle. Looks pretty darn good. So what I think I'm going to do, now with that, I'm going to get some other handlebars on this. So we'll get that going. Well, we got the engine in the frame. No problems. Yeah, a little fiddly getting it in there. Just have to kind of twist around a little bit. But did it with the winch. And the winch just worked perfect for this job. It didn't hurt anything. I was able to just move the engine in place, put it in, and this thing is turning into a motorcycle. And so we'll continue on and figure out what we're going to do with the tank. Now that we have the engine in place, I can now put the tank on there and see if the petcocks are going to work. And then we can start building that seat that we have been putting off. So, we'll continue on.